Mercedes 211 A-Class. Problem is, when you drive, seat belt warning lamp is coming and go and beeping, and sometimes is nothing, sometimes is beeping. And so what I have done, take out seat from place and I have checked cables, because normally some cable is broken, but here cables is okay. And what I have found, take out those covers from here. Of course, if you gonna change it whole, finish, no more problem you have, because problem is inside here. And problem is here is this push button which feels that you have that is inside this seat belt. And problem is, you see here is heated. You must fill this with some glue, because it's from many times you set in, set out. Here is like a hole, and it's not thick enough to push this button, and that's why it's sometimes it's beeping.